Following widespread backlash over the issuance of summons to senior advocates Arvind P. Datar and Pratap Venugopal for their legal opinions to a client, the Enforcement Directorate has issued a circular prohibiting its officials from summoning advocates in relation to their professional legal advice. The circular cites Section 132 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, which upholds lawyer-client privilege and bars disclosure of communications between an advocate and client except in cases involving illegal acts or fraud. ED clarified that if a summons must be issued under the legal exceptions, it must have prior approval from the agency's director. The controversial summons were linked to legal advice given to Care Health Insurance regarding ESOP issued to Dr. Rashmi Saluja, chairperson of Religare Enterprises. The move had drawn strong condemnation from bar associations across India, some of which urged the Supreme Court to take suo motu cognizance, citing threat to autonomy of advocates and underlining the principle of lawyer-client privilege. ED has now withdrawn the summons issued to both senior advocates and issued formal circular restraining officials from summoning advocates in violation of legal provisions. To know more about this case in detail, please visit on our website, and for more such legal updates, stay tuned to Live Law.